Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Echo Show 15 refuses to power on and the screen stays completely blank, it can be frustrating, especially if you rely on it for reminders, calendars, and smart home controls. A power issue with the Echo Show 15 can happen because of a loose power connection, a temporary software glitch, or a problem with the outlet itself. Fortunately, a device that won't turn on doesn't always mean there's a serious hardware failure. Before considering replacement options, there are several simple troubleshooting steps worth trying. In this video, I'll walk you through a few easy checks that may help bring your Echo Show 15 back to life. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the power adapter connected to the Echo Show 15 is firmly plugged into both the device and the outlet. Step 2. Test another wall outlet to make sure the Echo Show 15 is receiving power properly. Step 3. Disconnect the Echo Show 15 from power and leave it unplugged for several minutes. Step 4. Reconnect the Echo Show 15 and wait patiently while the system attempts to start. Step 5. Check the screen of the Echo Show 15 for any signs of activity or startup indicators. Step 6. Confirm that the Echo Show 15 boots normally and responds to touch or voice commands.